Hey everyone, welcome back to Finance Flicks Hub. Today, we're going to break down the top 7 stocks you should consider buying aggressively before November 2025. These aren't just hot picks. They're companies with real long-term potential, proven business models, and strong market positioning. I'm talking about stocks you can feel confident accumulating over time, in through both bull and bear markets. My goal is to give you a clear, research-based perspective so you can make informed decisions without panic or guesswork. Remember, investing is your responsibility, so always do your own due diligence before taking action. Market context. Right now, markets have been fluctuating in a range since hitting all-time highs on October 9th. This kind of sideways action often leads to stocks that normally outperform on green days, seeing temporary sell-offs. We've got factors like trade uncertainty, small bank credit issues, and tariff drama driving short-term volatility. But here's the key. We're not trying to predict daily market swings or political headlines. The focus is always on high-quality assets at reasonable prices for the long term. You don't need to be right today. You need to be right over years. Companies that can withstand short-term market noise often deliver the biggest gains over time. Top 7 stocks to buy before November 2025. 7. Space Mobile, AS. Space Mobile is working on something truly revolutionary. A space-based cellular network that connects normal smartphones directly to satellites. No special hardware required, just your phone. Partnerships with AT&T, Vodafone, Rakuten, and Verizon give credibility to its business model. Billions of people still live in mobile dead zones, so if Space Mobile's Bluebird constellation scales successfully, the market potential is enormous. Long-term deal zone for accumulation, $55-65. This is a stock with high upside potential for patient investors. 6. Super Microcomputer, SMCI. SMCI is a critical player in AI and cloud infrastructure. They build servers and systems for AI, cloud computing, and massive data centers. SMCI often hits the market first with new chip architectures from NVIDIA or AMD. Their modular, Lego-style design lets them adapt quickly to new tech, giving them a speed advantage. With trillions being poured into AI infrastructure, SMCI is positioned for massive growth. Revenue guidance of $40 billion for fiscal 2026 highlights the steep growth path ahead. 5. Applied Digital, APLD. Applied Digital operates next-gen AI data centers. They focus on efficiency, power density, liquid cooling, and renewable energy proximity, which makes their operations more cost-effective and reliable. APLD continues to lock in major leases and expand capacity, demonstrating strong proof of concept. Short-term price dips are opportunities to accumulate shares at attractive prices, making this a strong long-term play. 4. Energy Fuels, UUUU. Energy Fuels is a US-based mining company that focuses on uranium, rare earths, and vanadium. These materials are essential for nuclear energy, clean tech, and advanced manufacturing. Rising energy demands from data centers make nuclear power increasingly relevant, positioning Energy Fuels strategically. This company provides the raw materials for a sustainable energy future, making it a strong long-term investment in energy infrastructure. 3. D-Wave Quantum, QBTS. D-Wave is a pioneer in quantum computing. They provide hardware, software, and cloud services for real-world enterprise applications in optimization, logistics, finance, and manufacturing. With commercial customers already on board, D-Wave holds a first-mover advantage in practical quantum adoption. Quantum computing is still in its early stages, but the long-term potential is enormous, and QBTS is at the forefront. In USA Rare Earth, USAR. USA Rare Earth follows a mine-to-magnet strategy. They extract, process, and manufacture high-value magnets used in EVs, wind turbines, defense, and AI data centers. Vertical integration ensures higher margins and differentiation from competitors. With growing demand for domestic critical minerals and supportive policy incentives, USAR has strong long-term growth potential. 1. SoFi. SoFi is a fintech aiming to be a one-stop financial app. They offer student loans, personal loans, mortgages, checking, savings accounts, investment accounts, and credit cards. The user base is growing rapidly, and customers are using more products over time, creating a powerful revenue flywheel. Expansion into new products, services, or markets could accelerate profitability. As fixed costs are absorbed and monetization scales, SoFi could see significant re-rating in the market, making it a compelling long-term play. Conclusion. So there you have it, the top 7 stocks to buy and hold before November 2025. Each one combines long-term growth potential, market relevance, and proof of concept. They span high-growth sectors like AI, quantum computing, fintech, clean energy, and critical minerals. The big takeaway: embrace volatility, focus on long-term fundamentals, and accumulate quality assets patiently. Markets will always fluctuate, but over time, real value will shine through. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to FinanceFlix Hub for more insights and updates on the top stock picks, investing strategies, and market trends.